So the second type of problems in student t distribution is when two samples are given. So when two samples are given, this is a formula we apply: x bar minus y bar by square root of s into square root of 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. So again we have two formulas to find the value of s. So we apply this formula when n1, n2, s1 and s2 is given directly in the problem. We apply this formula s square. If s1 and s2 is not given directly, if they given x and y values in the problem, so find the x bar value and y bar value, then substitute in s square. Now the first problem. The group of boys and girls were given an intelligence test. The mean score, standard deviation score and numbers in each group as follows. So these are the intelligence test between both the boys and girls. Here directly they given the mean value, and mean means they given here x bar. This is your x bar and this is your y bar. Not this one. So these are the x bar and this is the y bar. Here mean is given directly. Standard deviation means they given s1 and s2. So sometimes instead of sigma or s, both are same here, s1 and s2, and also n numbers is given n1 and n2. So this is a direct problem. Here they given x bar, y bar and s1, s2, n1 and n2 directly. Now, what is the hypothesis? That is the difference between the means of the two groups significant at 5% level of significance. So we have to test this hypothesis. Now, first write the values what they given: x bar, y bar, n1 and n2 and s1 and s2. So this is the formula. Here two means are given. So previous video we solved the problems when a single mean is given. If two means are given, so this is a formula: x bar minus y bar by s into square root of 1 by n1 plus n2. Now again, already we discussed, we have two formulas to find the s square value. So I am not applying this s square formula. So I am applying this s square formula because s1 and s2, n1 and n2 is given directly. X bar and y bar also. So here I am taking the second formula of s square. So n1 means 12. This is n1. 12 into s1 square. S1 is 8, 64 square, plus n2 is 10 and s2 square under 10 square 100 divided by n1 plus n2. 12 plus 10, 22, minus 2 means 20. So find the value 88.4 and find the square root, that is s, that is 9.4. Substitute in t. X bar minus y bar by s into 9.4 into square root of 1 by 12 plus 1 by 10, that is 0.994. So whatever the value we got here, we compare with the table value what they given. So here 0.05 is 2 point. This is less than. So less than case ali we accept the hypothesis. So less than we got, accept the hypothesis, that is the difference between the mean of the two groups. So there is a difference between the two mean of the two groups is significant. So this is the method when two means are given, and s square also we find because directly they given s1 and s2. Now this is another problem. Two horses A and B were tested according to the time to run a particular race with the following results. So both the two horses they given tested according to the time. This is the time of two horses in a particular race. The horse A and the horse B. So these are the values in terms of seconds they given. Test whether you can discriminate between the two horses. So we have to test that is it possible to discriminate between the two horses by using the values what they given. So here also two means problem. So both two horses A and B means we get x bar. Find x bar. It is not like that previous problem they given directly x bar y bar, but here we have to find x bar. How you find? By adding all these values divided by n1 ಅಂದರೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 ಏನು okay 7. So 219, if you add all the values you get 219 divided by 7 31.3. Similarly find y bar. So y bar ಅಂದರೆ add all these the second horse b values, that is 160 divided by 6, that is 38.2. Now for this problem we have to apply the s square formula is different here, that is 1 by n1 plus n2 minus 2 into summation of x minus x bar whole square plus summation of y minus y bar whole square. So we find separately here x minus x bar whole square. So here I have written directly answer. How you find x minus x bar andre x for the horse a, that is x, that is 28. So I write only first value 28. X bar what we find it 31.3 whole square. So this is only first value I have written. Similarly again take the second value 30. X bar is same here 31.3 whole square. Like that you have to add all the values, then you get 31.43. Similarly y minus y bar, this is your y value. So similarly y means 29 minus y bar value is 28.2 whole square. Second y value is 30 minus 28.2 whole square. So like that if you add you get 26.84. Substitute the value here. 1 by n1 plus n2, n1 is 3 plus 3 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 minus 2 is 11, that is again substitute here 31.43 is 26.84. These are the values, we find it separately, that is 5.29. So taking the square root, that is 2.3016. Substitute in t, x bar minus y bar, that is 31.3 minus 28.2 divided by s value is 2.3016 divided by square root of, so what we got the answer 2.42. Now here they are not mentioned any value of table value of t. So now if they are not given any table value of t, so in examination they give student t distribution table. So this is the student t distribution table. Almost they give the value in the problem itself. Suppose if they are not given, this is a student t distribution table. In this case we have to see the degree of freedom. So degree of freedom, how you find the degree of freedom here? This is the method. When two means are given, n1 plus n2 minus 2. So n1 means 7, number of terms 3 plus 7 plus 6 minus 2, that is 13 minus 2 11. Now how to see the value means, so at 0.05 I am considering here because they are not mentioned at which percent level of significance here. So now I have to see the value with these are the degree of freedom. So I have to see at 11th degree of freedom here. 11 we got from this problem. So at 11 degree of freedom, so at t is 0.05. So previous all problems, these values they given in the problem itself. In this problem I find this is the method to see the table values. At the 11 degree of freedom, at the 0.05 2.179. 2.179. So whatever we got here 2.49 is greater than the table value, therefore we can discriminate the horses at the 5% level of significance. So this is the method to solve the two means are given.